Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Chime taking forever to load or just spins endlessly every time you open it, even when your internet is fine? Here are 3 quick iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This completely resets your iPhone's network connection from scratch and forces Chime to start a fresh screen connection to its servers. This one step alone fixes slow loading most of the time. If it's still slow after that, go to your settings again, scroll down to find Chime in the app list or directly search for it. Once you see it, tap on it. Here, look for background app refresh and then turn it on. Without this, Chime always starts loading from zero every time you open it, which makes everything slower. Also, in the settings, go back, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check your storage bar at the top. If the storage is nearly full, banking apps slow down dramatically. Tap offload app on any unused apps to free space quickly. So all you've got to do is turn airplane mode on, reset for fresh network, background app refresh on for Chime, free up iPhone storage, Chime loads fast again, and that's it. Subscribe for more Chime fixes.